Have you ever wondered why the beautiful Maldives is sinking? This picturesque paradise, known for its azure seas and stunning beaches, is facing a fate that's as troubling as it is unexpected. The reason behind this sinking is quite alarming. The Maldives is sinking due to the rising sea levels, a result of global warming. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, which is primarily caused by human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases. This warming effect causes the polar ice caps to melt, leading to a steady rise in sea levels. The Maldives, a low-lying island nation, is particularly vulnerable to this phenomenon. As the sea levels continue to rise, the Maldives edges closer to becoming submerged. So what does this mean for the Maldives and the world at large? The potential repercussions of this sinking paradise are overwhelming. Imagine losing your home, your livelihood, everything you've known. The Maldivians face this reality, potentially becoming climate refugees, but it doesn't stop there. The Maldives is a cog in the complex machinery of our global ecosystem. Its sinking would disrupt marine life, tourism, and even global climate patterns. The sinking of Maldives isn't just a Maldivian problem, it's a global issue. Can we stop the Maldives from sinking? Ponder on this. Consider adopting sustainable practices, reduce carbon footprint, and support initiatives combating global warming. Our collective action can make a difference. Together, we can help save the Maldives and our planet. That's the story of the sinking Maldives, a paradise grappling with the harsh realities of climate change. It's a tale of cause, effect, and the urgent call to action. What part of the information surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening videos like this one.